All right. So the 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 thing is the key of the tip of music can actually advancement of currency and time. It will keep advancing throughout the future. But if we watch right, it's an issue. There is the original principality of cadency and rhythm depends on the BPM times the percentage of school ratio each generation or ever since we studied, like we studied every long time, divided by a fraction of many days working, many days we leave working. So it's a fraction of 14 of 7 or 30 and sorry, a fraction to the 30. And you will find out the times your fetish number. Your fetish number represents your belief length, amount, or depending on your person, or something to with your name, with your original. Yeah, and after that, you get your music right. You can't you sing melancholia reception of astrophysics powers. With that being said, cadency or rhythm are known because they're being known with the Holy Spirit, divinity, or Shori, or whatever you call them. Those rhythms are, are comprised of jazz, pop, drum and bass, because every time you create technology, those cadences appear each cycles of life. R&B, soul, rock and roll, and hip hop is not to be for examples, but hip hop and rap, it was bad with Lady B. But she was saying if you play hip hop with a denotation of alphabet, you're gonna create a track list of thinking in technology. It's about thinking. Hip hop is a frequency of thinking, it's a culture. Culture is where you speak your mind. And rap is negritude or aptitude. What I mean is, all those respiratory genres can have a different set of power or poetry, which is example, rhyme, unit, or reading bar, or somebody. Somebody is lyrical, or ham, and poetry is ham. Ham. Somebody is rhyming without pitch altering. So all those genres, you can use all those genres except for hip hop, where we talk. Hip hop is where we talk our knowledge because it's the culture, and rap is our the girls and the pretty, and what we do as celebrities, as ceremonies, rapping. You know? Krap, kraba, krababa, nu krapa. Yeah, that's my hip hop talking to her for now.